Welcome to Idea Sessions. In this video, we will cover 10 step-by-step guide to help you cultivate a meditation practice. Set realistic goals. Mastering meditation begins with setting realistic goals that align with your current level of practice. Start with achievable objectives, such as meditating for a few minutes each day, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Focus on consistency rather than intensity, aiming to establish a regular meditation routine. Acknowledge that progress in meditation is gradual and may involve periods of difficulty or distraction. By setting attainable goals and approaching your practice with patience and perseverance, you can gradually deepen your meditation skills and experience the profound benefits of inner peace, clarity, and mindfulness. Find a quiet space. With finding a quiet space where you can cultivate inner stillness and focus. Choose a tranquil environment free from distractions, where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Create a sanctuary for your practice, whether it's a dedicated meditation room, a peaceful corner of your home, or a serene outdoor setting. Eliminate external disturbances by turning off electronic devices and minimizing background noise. By immersing yourself in a peaceful space, you can enhance your ability to cultivate mindfulness, deepen your meditation experience, and tap into a profound sense of tranquility and presence. Assume a comfortable posture. By assuming a comfortable posture that supports relaxation and focus, find a seated position that feels natural and sustainable, whether cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or in a chair. Keep your spine upright but relaxed, allowing for effortless breathing. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap, palms facing upward or downward as feels comfortable. Relax your shoulders, jaw, and facial muscles. If sitting isn't comfortable, lying down on your back is also an option. By adopting a posture that promotes physical ease and mental alertness, you create a foundation for deepening your meditation practice and accessing inner peace. Focus on your breath. By directing your attention to the breath, a powerful anchor for cultivating mindfulness and concentration. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then observe the natural rhythm of your breath, focusing on the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen or the feeling of air passing through your nostrils. Whenever your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to the breath without judgment. By anchoring your awareness in the present moment through mindful breathing, you cultivate inner stillness, clarity, and presence in your meditation practice. Acknowledge distractions without judgment. Mastering meditation involves acknowledging distractions with a non-judgmental awareness. As you meditate, thoughts, emotions, and sensations may arise. Instead of resisting or becoming frustrated with these distractions, simply observe them with curiosity and acceptance. Recognize that it's natural for the mind to wander, and that each distraction provides an opportunity for growth. Refrain from labeling distractions as good or bad, and gently guide your focus back to the present moment, whether it's by returning to the breath or using another anchor of attention. By cultivating a compassionate and non-reactive attitude towards distractions, you can deepen your meditation practice and cultivate greater inner peace and clarity. Practice mindfulness. It involves cultivating mindfulness, a state of non-judgmental awareness of the present moment. Embrace mindfulness by observing your thoughts, emotions, and sensations without attachment or judgment. Notice the ebb and flow of your inner experiences with curiosity and acceptance, allowing them to arise and pass without interference. Engage fully in each moment, whether you're focusing on the breath, body sensations, or the environment around you. By practicing mindfulness in meditation and throughout daily life, you develop a deeper connection to the present moment, foster greater self-awareness, and cultivate inner peace and clarity that transcends the fluctuations of the mind. Use guided meditation. Mastering meditation can be facilitated by using guided meditation practices. Guided meditations provide structured guidance and support, making it easier to cultivate mindfulness and concentration. Start by finding a guided meditation that resonates with you, whether it's focused on breath awareness, body scan, loving kindness, or visualization. Set aside dedicated time in a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Follow the instructions provided by the guide, allowing their words to lead you through the practice. As you become more comfortable with guided meditation, you may choose to transition to silent meditation or continue using guided practices to deepen your experience and maintain consistency in your practice. Be consistent. Mastering meditation hinges on consistency. Establish a regular practice by committing to meditate at the same time and place each day. Set realistic goals, starting with short sessions and gradually increasing duration as you progress. Treat meditation as a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, prioritizing it like any other important activity. Embrace both the highs and lows of your practice with patience and perseverance, understanding that progress takes time. Even on busy days, carve out a few minutes for meditation to maintain momentum and reap the benefits of regular practice. By showing up consistently, you lay the foundation for deepening your meditation skills and experiencing profound inner transformation. Be patient and compassionate. Mastering meditation requires patience and self-compassion. Understand that progress unfolds gradually, and that each meditation session is an opportunity for growth, regardless of its outcome. Embrace moments of distraction or difficulty with kindness and curiosity, recognizing them as natural aspects of the practice. Cultivate a gentle attitude towards yourself, letting go of self-criticism and expectations. Offer yourself compassion when faced with challenges or setbacks, acknowledging that meditation is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. By fostering patience and compassion towards yourself, you create a nurturing environment for your meditation practice to flourish, leading to greater peace, clarity, and resilience in your life. Seek support and guidance. Mastering meditation can be enriched by seeking support and guidance. Connect with experienced meditators, teachers, or meditation communities for encouragement and insight. Attend meditation classes, workshops, or retreats to deepen your understanding and refine your practice. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share experiences to gain new perspectives and insights. Consider working one-on-one with a meditation teacher or coach to receive personalized guidance and support tailored to your needs. Embrace the wisdom and encouragement offered by others on the meditation path, knowing that you're not alone in your journey towards mastery. By seeking support and guidance, you cultivate a supportive network and accelerate your progress in meditation. By following these steps and approaching meditation with an open mind and heart, you can cultivate a fulfilling and transformative meditation practice over time. If you found value in today's video, make sure to watch our other videos about mental health and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. By subscribing, it will help us do similar videos. So if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss an update. In the description below, there are links that can help you work on reducing your anxiety, stress, insomnia, and depression. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.